the Boolean operator OR. Let me explain the OR operator with an example first. Here we can see two conditions. Condition 1 is col1 equals to A. Condition 2 is col3 equals to 700. Let us see which rows will test true for condition 1. Select star from sample underscore tbl where col1 equals to A or col3 equals to 700. For condition 1, which is col1 equals to A, row number 1, 2 and 6 will be fetched. Now let us go to the condition 2, which is col3 equals to 700. Which rows will test true for it? Row number 5 and 6. I'm just using the values in the column SNO, which is serial number, to refer the rows as row number 5 or 1 or 2. Oracle uses a different logic internally, which is called as row ID. Let us keep things simple as of now. So we have two sets of intermittent results, but we still need to get the final result. To get the final result, let us take a look at how an OR operator works. Let us take condition 1, which is col1 equals to A, and mark the rows that test true for this condition. For example, row number 1 will test true for condition 1 because the value for column 1 is A, and it will test false for condition 2 because the value of column 3 is 500 and not 700. Like that, row number 2 will test true for condition 1 and false for condition 2. Row number 3 and 4 will test false for both the conditions. Row number 5 will test false for condition 1 because column 1 is C here, but it will test true for column 3 as the value is 700. Row number 6 will test true for both the conditions. The OR operator returns true if any of the conditions are true. It is kind of like we saying in real life, like give me this or that. It will be false only both the conditions are not met. In other words, both the conditions are false. So the OR operator's result would be something like this. For the first row, since the condition 1 turns out to be true, here the final result is true. And so this row will appear in the final result. For the second row, it will be same as the first row. Since condition 1 is true, this will also appear in the final result. Rows 3 and 4 will not appear in the final result as both the conditions are not met, meaning false. Fifth row will appear as condition 2 has been met. Sixth row will also appear since both the conditions have been met. So remember, even if you have many conditions joined by multiple OR operators, its final result will be false only if every condition is false. Even if one condition turns out to be true, then it will result into a true for the overall comparison of that row. And the final result will be the rows 1, 2, 5 and 6. Thank you for watching this video.